Farooq Saab, what is your reaction? ये S&P की जो खबर आई है कि they've downgraded our foreign currency rating from B plus to B और lower local currency rating को भी downgrade किया है. What are your initial comments?
Well, I think it is actually the first downgrade for last many years. I think probably, if I remember correctly, the first downgrade since '98, because over the last few years we've had consistent upgradings in our ratings, and we were sort of 3 notches below investment grade, and we were certainly on the way to moving closer to investment grade over the next few years. Obviously जो current पिछले 2007 में और which is still continuing जो volatility रही है और जो pressures आ रहे हैं because of the oil and commodity price cycle, I think that has had obviously a significant impact on the economy, and that is probably the prime reason for the downgrade.
Okay, Farooq Saab, what do you think is the main reason for this? Is it the political uncertainty? Is it the fiscal deficit? What is the main reason, the number one reason according to you?
I think number one reason is the continued, not political uncertainty I would say, but the continued evolution of the political system and the transition to a full democratic setup. It is a difficult transition and it's taking its time, so in some senses it's not totally unexpected. But obviously what is happening in the meantime is that the government's attentions, the minister's attention is diverted, and what we really need right now is a very focused government, a very focused Ministry of Finance and all the other ministries, whether it be energy, whether it be all the ministries, to be very focused on facing quite a lot of challenges. And I'll add that these challenges are not unique to Pakistan only. Most of the countries are seeing economic slowdown. Growth rates have been revised down for most of the countries. Inflation is an issue for most of the countries because we are living in a unprecedented oil and commodity price boom cycle.
Right,
but those issues need attention. There is the economy, Pakistan. There is still momentum. It is a very robust economy. But a lack of direction is really something that we can't live with right now.
Now, इसका क्या impact होगा market में? Obviously, कल last day है trading का. As far as the week is concerned, what are you expecting?
I think market में कुछ impact आएगा. Market obviously has come off. Obviously it's gone up in the last 2-3 days, but it come off around 10-11% from its all-time high. So the market, in some senses, as they anticipate these events. So the market had already taken some of this account, and the impact that will be because of the uncertainty and because of a decisive.
Farooq Saab, जो end में भी हमने selling देखी आज, do you think ये इस किस्म की खबरों की आपने कहा कि expectations थी? Was that the reason कि हमने selling देखी?
I'm not saying कि specifically आज downgrade की expectation थी. But I'm just saying that we've seen the market come off, and that has been in response to the rising economic challenges and the continued transition process that we are saying. So sooner the transition process is over, and we've seen a lot of good steps coming out from the government as well, like the energy plan that was announced yesterday.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, Farooq Saab, we've ran out of time. Thank you so much for joining us on